Okay, now into recursive and explicit for these geometric sequences. Look in the textbook to find the exact form. I might say these things a little bit wrong. Looks like we're multiplying by 3 each time. So each term is the power of 3, starting at 1. Okay, that's the first term. The explicit form is going to be used like this. So a sub n, and I think I got the explicit form wrong there. A sub n for this, you're just going to do common ratio times, nope, that's wrong. First term times ratio to the n minus 1. Okay, so it's going to be first term is 1 times 3 to the n minus 1. That's how you're going to have to type that in there. Okay, let's do that again, but a different way. Now we're going to go the recursive. The recursive looks like this. So they're telling you all the information you need to do here. So, oh, this is explicit right here. Recursive, so that if n equals 1, not 0, n equals 1 right here, that makes it 13 to the 0 power, which equals 1. So they're always telling you in the explicit, they're telling you the first term right there. And then you do the other part, that recursive like we just talked about on the other page. And let's do that opposite. Okay, again, here is your good format for recursive. There's your first term, and there's your nth term. You always do the starting point times a to the n minus 1, the previous term. Okay, so in this one, they're telling you that a sub n is going to be, we're going to make it go like this. Our first term is 62, and then times what's our common ratio? It's 1/6, and then you type that up to the n minus 1. Ugh, don't like that rainbow drawing. All right, last question. More of the same. This one goes to be much easier, but when they say function, they want you to put it in function notation, but that just takes the pace of this part. So let's see, what's the first term? This one right here, it's just 1024. And then what's the common ratio? It looks like dividing by 4 each time. So you can write that dividing by 4 is the same as multiplying times 1/4 and to the n minus 1. That'd be what you do. That's it for this video. Good luck on the test, boys and girls.